Top of the morning, folks. This morning I learned how to buy SoldierNode NFTs on NFTtrade. This morning I decided to sell all of my SoldierNode coins. I took the avax that I got from it and I got myself 6 more armies for half price. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do the same thing. Stay tuned.
It just didn't make sense. You know, these are selling for this. I mean, that's cheap. That's like 50 bucks or something in money, and 10 coins that would make an army, it's selling for almost 80 bucks. So you're getting a $30 discount buying them here. And I don't know if this is legit, but for the sake of example, I'm gonna take the risk here for you guys.
So I got some avax. I'm gonna go ahead in, and now I checked this army. You come on over here to snowtrace.io, and you could actually check the contract ID of the person here. The contract ID right there, B4. And so, okay, so B4 right here. So he's selling this bad boy right here, and it's been on here for over 3 days, which means it should be ready to get your daily reward. Okay, let's go ahead and give it a shot. Let's check out. There's my fee, my little tiny fee right here, itty bitty fee. And let's see what happens. Now it's been over an hour, and I still didn't get my armies from the original, so I'm crazy for putting more money into this game. But like I said, okay, here I am, 0.4. I also bid on one a minute ago. I have one that I bid on here, 176 I bid on, like a highest offer. That's me. Thinking maybe he'll take less. My account, my NFTs, it's like it'd be in here now. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are my armies. That is pretty cool. Is that cool or what? Now my wallet knows that these armies exist. These are my armies from SoldierNodes. I have 10 of them. Now I have 11 of them. So I've got 11 armies, and I guess this is legit. This is legit, guys. You guys can go on to NFTtrade and buy yourselves armies for the game, or, you know, for in here. Plenty for sale. Look at 0.4. They're all for sale for 0.4 avax. So you guys can come on here and grab yourselves a bunch. I know this is bad for the coin price, but I wouldn't buy them at coin price. Now, you guys, I went in one last time, and as you can see, I used up some more of these to buy myself a few more of these. If we look at my NFT collection over here now, you can see that today I've purchased 4 NFTs over here. 5 actually, sorry. I've purchased 5 NFTs, and then these are all of the armies that I already have. Now these have a different name, I believe, because they are version 2. These ones are version 1. So now that I have these set and ready, when we come back into our SoldierNodes and refresh the page, it's going to go ahead and tell us that we've got to migrate 5. Figured that. We've got to migrate 5 armies, and it's going to be another $7. It's pretty disgusting, to be quite honest, but I'm going to go ahead and do it because I want you guys to see it happen in front of yous. Right? That's how dedicated I am. You know what happened? You see they just burned through my avax like wildfire. Disgusting that much. But I suppose we can refresh, connect, and boom, here we are, guys. See this? V1, 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 V1. Now this is legit. You get them in NFTtrade. As you can see, I'm buying them for 0.4 avax, and like I said, that's about $50. And look at, they all came with this reward. Check it out. They all came with 0.8 pending rewards on the node. So I mean, that's like $6 back. I actually only paid $42 a piece for these, maybe $43 a piece considering the gas fee, if you're gonna count that. I'm gonna wait for the timer to run out on all of them to collect all of them, and then they'll all be at the same time. I currently have 16 armies right now, and I'm okay with having 16 armies because I believe in the project, and now I know that I can go on NFTtrade and I can sell any one of these. I hope you guys find interest in this new concept of being able to buy our SLD as NFTs. As you can see, the price is climbing over here. We're at $8. This is what it's going to cost you to make a node. It's $80 to make a node. Dare I say what I just paid? That's how much I just paid for my node. You guys just watched me pay less than $50 for a node that I would otherwise pay $80 for, and then still have to mint it myself. So there it is, start to finish, your little discount loopy poo. This is not financial advice. I'm not going to recommend that you guys go ahead and buy these, but this is a lot cheaper than market price. So if you are hypothetically going to go and buy these, if you hit Army is what you're looking for on NFTtrade, by the way. You're looking for Army, and then when you go under Army, you've got them all here, floor price, and you've got all these bad boys. And so, hypothetically speaking, if you bought a bunch of these at this deep discount, and then the coin price rebounded, the project came to life, the game came out, and you have all these rewarding you every day, even some of them that have rewards stacked on them currently right now, because if you go ahead and click on them, let's see, this one was not purchased yet. If you go ahead and look down here, you look, he listed it today, but he transferred it on the 18th. And so a lot of these ones, they have not claimed in a few days. So you're going to get all the claim rewards that are within the army already, which gives you an even more of a discount. Because if you see the fact that I just bought one that's got 0.80 of a soldier node on it already. I said I paid $49 for mine, but really I'm getting $6 back in pending rewards already. So mine only costed 43 bucks. And like I said, they're going right now for $80 if you mint them yourself with the coins. I'm not suggesting that you guys don't buy coins, because obviously people need to buy coins to get the price up. But these armies that are for sale right now, there's only a dozen or so of them on here. And once they're gone, they're gone. Especially at this price. The other ones are priced a little bit higher. This is just, I think it's a whale that made his profit and he's trying to get out of the game. So this is time sensitive if you guys are interested in trying to get in on this. But yeah, I wish you guys well. I hope you guys got some value out of that. Smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to bring you guys favorites every single day.